This is for the power on off and volume control. And here is button for the Bluetooth. And here is the USB input, which you're gonna connect to the computer. And this is for the power. And top two is the audio input. And there's another input connection here. And this two bottom is for your subwoofer output. And these two will be connect each other with this wire. We're gonna connect speaker wire left and right. If you look at the close, they have a hole inside there. That's the where you put the wire in. Make sure the power is off and connect the power cable. To connect computer with my speaker, I'm gonna use a US cable they provide. HD3 has a similar layout compared to the A2 Plus. Only difference is A2 Plus has built-in Bluetooth, but HD3 requires to attach antenna for Bluetooth. For Bluetooth connection, there is an antenna here. You have to put this antenna in there. Another difference is A2 Plus has volume control on back of the speaker. Audioengine HD3 has volume control in front and headphone jack in front too. Audioengine A2 Plus has this wire connection, and HD3 has this kind of connection. You can just tie it up. A2 Plus has a dot on volume control, so I can see exactly where it's going. But HD3 doesn't have any dot or mark, so it's tough to tell how much I'm changing. I wish they have some kind of a dot or mark on volume control on HD3. A2 Plus volume control is on back of a speaker, so to change volume, I set my computer volume to 50%, and when I want to change volume, I change it from my keyboard. Audioengine A2 Plus doesn't have a headphone jack, so I use my Bluetooth headphone to solve that problem. A2 Plus is selling for $269 and HD3 is selling for $349. You can buy at audioengine.com and amazon.com. A2 Plus or HD3 is excellent speaker. I like them both, but I cannot recommend to buy it for their regular price. I think spending close to or more than $300 per speaker is little too much for me. But I was able to buy A2 Plus for $199 on Black Friday sale. I bought A2 Plus at audioengine.com, and audioengine.com don't charge tax, and they ship for free. It's not 2-day shipping like Amazon, but I got it less than a week. If you can buy A2 Plus for $119 like me, then I highly recommend to buy it. I hope this video helped you to find right speaker for you, and I have another video comparing sound. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.